Hotel Amadeus, Venice, Italy, near the train station. Considered a 4-star hotel with an elevator that we could fit in. Oh, 3-star, sorry, Tony corrected me. 3-star hotel with an elevator that we could fit in with our bags, as well as the bellhop. Now I'm going to go do the bathroom. Then while I'm doing the bathroom, Tony's going to get ready to show us our balcony and our garden. Look, we have our own bidet. Interesting windows. Nice bathroom. Nice shower. And among the amazing things are this little pulley thing. It just seems too short to do anything. And then also, look at the bidet again. There is this strap, which I bet does something. Okay, and now Tony's going to take us on a tour.
Flat screen TV.
Flat screen TV.
Venice has been modernized.
Okay, here comes the balcony. It's drizzling. See, it's Venice. There's the garden over which our balcony looks. This is not Verona, so I don't expect Tony to be climbing up to the balcony to give me a beer or anything this evening. And there's a chair. Nice, huh? Tony picked this out. Okay, ciao.
Non c'è fuori, stiamo qua.
Vabbè, dai, oggi
Io non so portare.
Tratta la gestione.